ए जामिया, ए जामिया, ए जामिया।
Today I am going to speak a favor and about Independence Day. At first I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Friends, as we all now date 15 August is a day of honor and pride for every Indian. On this day in 1947, India get independence from British rule. Our great freedom fighter Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru and many others devoted their whole life for the freedom of our country today. Let's salute all those freedom fighters and leaders. Today we are developing rapidly in the field of technology, education, sports and many others which not be possible to work not for the country development and progress. Let's all pledge today to do our best and make our country the best country on the world. Thank you.